Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of this. For this live, y'all, I'm just testing OBS, so it might not be interesting. I wanted to vibe code the app together, so if I could get that going, we could do that live together. So let's see. I'm just making sure I'm actually live. It says I'm live. Let's turn this down. Okay. So let me write a comment. Let's say, let me know if I'm lagging, please. Okay. And then what I'm also, there's like something else I wanted to do. Okay. Let's X this out. Oh no, there's a way to see comments. Oh, I'm such a noob at this. Oh, why did I close that out? I was seeing comments before. Let's see if I could put it back up. Open multi-view. You know what? It's okay. I'll figure that out next time. But okay, y'all, this is me vibe coding an app. So Meezy and I go live on TikToks, but this week our schedule was just like not matching up. But I still wanted to do a live, so I thought for this live we could try out Base44 together. So basically, I get ads for Base44 all the time, but it's another one of those AI platforms where you can build an app using just AI. So the appeal of this is that you don't need to know how to code. So I'm saying like know how to code because basically Meezy and I are doing this experiment to see how real is vibe coding. So we're basically going to see if we can actually put an app in the app store, don't write any lines of code, and then we're going to try to get 100 like real people to use it, because I feel like that's the point of vibe coding, because I've vibe coded like my own personal like apps that I've used, but I think it's a whole different ball game to actually get like real people to use it. So I'm super excited about that. Let's see if this is lagging. So basically what I did was I gave Base44, I gave it this prompt, and this prompt was created by AI. I use Gemini. So I have a whole video on this channel where I use REPL It with this prompt. So basically REPL It is another website where you can build like an AI app. So I wanted to try out Base44. So I was just gonna like keep working on this until like we run out of free credits, just to see what platform. Like Meezy and I still don't know what platform we definitely want to go with. And people, when I was like reading stuff on like Reddit and stuff, like people will spend $5,000 on trying to get credits and like things like that, and I will not be doing that. So yeah, basically we're gonna see which one is the best one, like which one where like the credits make sense. So what we're gonna do is, this is the app that it created. So it can kind of gave in some like some placeholder kind of data. Let's make a new entry. So I could do something like ran in the rain. I ran in. Oh, it's still lagging. That is crazy. I ran in the. Maybe it's just with typing. Maybe once this stops lagging, I will just like not type for this live. I ran in the ran. Save. Okay, cool. I wonder how you get the emojis and stuff. I mean, you can't edit these, and I feel like if you have a typo, maybe you would want to edit it. So maybe that's one of the fixes we might give it. But okay. So let's see what the AI coach does. Hey, I'm your personal coach for Run a Sub 4 Hour Marathon. I've read through your journey so far, and I'm here to help you stay focused and make progress. What's on your mind today? I feel like I can't do it. It feels hard. Okay, let's see what it says. Anti-side quest grand finale. Okay, I hear you, and it's completely normal to feel that way, especially when you're pushing your limits. Remember that running a marathon is a big challenge, and it's okay to feel overwhelmed at times. I like that. Okay. So, the AI coach, the journey log, we can add new entries. I guess how you're feeling is how you get the emoji over there. So, let me just do another fake one. You know, it's this text box that keeps lagging. It's like only that one because the high worked fine. But it's okay. We're going to wait for you to catch up. All I wrote was hi over here. Okay. Save entry. Oh, now the save button is lagging. You know, girl, you tried. Okay. So then let's say we wanted to add a feature to be able to. Okay, so they had some suggestions over here. Add mood charts, build gold milestones, add streak tracking. Okay, the AI coach was fine. Anti-side quest. So need a boost. I'll analyze your journey and current struggles to give you personalized motivation tips and content. Let's try that out. Analyzing your journey and finding what you need. It feels kind of slow. Okay. Ooh. Wait, okay. The miracle isn't that I finished. The miracle is that I had the courage to start. Oh. Oh, I love me that kind of quote. Okay, John. Okay, your next step. Do not attempt to make up the mileage you missed last week by doubling your runs this week. That's the fastest way to get injured. Simply resume your plan at the current day and focus on completing your upcoming long run to regain your confidence. Watch this. Oh, where does, I'm so curious. Hopefully you can see that new screen that it goes to. Okay, so it's a basically sub 4 hour marathon pacing strategy for beginners. Okay, so basically you could add that to search. That's kind of interesting. Okay, reality check. Missing 2 runs didn't kill your. Oh, so you could see it over there. Okay. Missing 2 runs didn't kill your stamina, but the guilt you're feeling might kill your momentum. A sub 4 hour marathon requires grit when life gets messy, not just when the weather is perfect. Get back on the pavement today. Ignore the missed days of the past and focus exclusively on the miles scheduled for the next 24 hours. And then the grand finale is you can generate a journey book. Let's do that. It's interesting. So Repl It was actually able to create an app. Okay, I said a goal tracking app, but it did a web app. I wonder if Base44 can do like an actual like app store app. Okay. I love this journey book. I actually really like this. I think out of Repl It, I like that it was an actual app. This one, I actually like the content of it better as of like right now. So let's see how it does with the change. So let's say we do something like, I want to be able to delete journal. Did I spell journal right? Journal entries. Yeah. Document every step towards run a sub 4 marathon. And then also, I want to like put in my own goal. Design the app focuses. Yeah. I'm trying to see where they got the example. Build the North Star, a goal tracking app designed for people who struggle with shiny object syndrome. The app forces a singular focus on one high-level goal at a time, acting as a combination of a digital journal, supportive coach, and a multimedia scrapbook. The single interface. Okay. Yes. Okay, so I think maybe, let's see. I want to be able to add my own goal. the marathon goal is just the example, but users can have any goal, can enter any goal that they want, or users should be able to. So I want to be able to add my own, let's say like one goal. The marathon goal is just the example, but users should be able to enter any goal that they want to focus on. Okay, chat with the AI about anything without making code changes. Let's try that because I want it to like know what I mean. Okay. Rebel 8 didn't have that discuss button, so that's interesting. It's thinking, but the good thing is I don't think I'm lagging. Okay. So it said, you're right, the marathon goal is just an example. To allow users to add their own one goal, we'll need to modify the dashboard page to conditionally render either a goal creation form or the existing goal dashboard. I agree. Here's how I would implement that. On the dashboard.jsx page, we would add logic to query the goal entity to see if an active goal already exists for the current users. If no active goal, if an active goal exists. Okay, let's do it. So maybe let's turn off discuss. Love it. Let's do it. Make my app. But yeah, the UI looks really, really nice. Oh. The logic is already built into the app. The dashboard page already checks for an active goal and shows goal setup if none exists. The marathon goal I created is just sample data blocking the setup screen. Let me delete it so you can enter your own. Okay, so the logic is already built. So we have to approve some stuff. Okay. Delete goal records, matching. Sure. Delete journal entry records. Yeah, you can delete the like sample ones over here. Okay. Yeah, this is also different from the other AI platform I use because you didn't have to approve it. It just did it. I mean, if someone didn't know how to write code, though, I think they would just like approve. The sample data is cleared. Now when you open the app, you'll see the goal setup wizard where you enter your own goal. Okay, let's see it. Let's refresh. Okay, yay! I was like, chat, did you lie to me? Set your North Star first from the dashboard. Love it. Yay! Okay. Let's say, hey, what's your North Star? Let's say create an AI app and put it in the App Store. Okay, it's a little laggy. I won't do too much. Why does this matter to you? Why does this matter to me? I think I'm just curious about vibe coding in general, and I really want to see, like, I guess it's just interesting to me. And I think it would be really cool if other people can also like watch this series and maybe inspires them to make their own app, whether it's even just a personal app or something like that. I think that would be cool. So I think it's just interesting. I'm not gonna type too much here because it lags, so I'll just put hi for now. Yeah, I don't know why it's with typing that it wants to lag on your girl. Alright, you'll see the goal setup wizard where you'll enter your own goal. Okay. Continue. Oh no, it's unresponsive. Let's wait. Yo, I like changed the bit rate down to like 3000 or something. Or the bitrate was like at 6,000. I changed it to 3,000 and it's still lagging. Don't do this to me. Let's wait again. Like, I guess I need to literally see the, okay. Where are you now? Be honest about your starting point. This is day 1. Okay, I can barely run 1 mile without stopping. So where am I with this app? I'm choosing a platform, but I don't want to write too much. So I'm going to say and stop there. Your target outcome is, let's just say app. I don't want it to get crazy with me. Oh, this was like wild. I thought maybe I could be that live kind of girl, but I'm trying to wait out until I just need a new laptop. Maybe I should just get the M5. I thought maybe my computer could take me to the M6 because I feel like the M6 is going to come out this year. I don't know if it can take me to the M6. The continue button is still grayed out. Well, we were... Oh, yay, okay. We're still here. Okay, a goal without a deadline is just a dream. When do you want to finish? When would I want this app to be completed by? That's a good question. There really is no timeline like that. Let's say 2 months. I think that sounds good. I built an app in 2 months. Oh yeah, this date's not working. It's okay though. Honestly, I learned some stuff about OBS. I learned that my computer can't do OBS. But this is good. Okay. Let's stop the stream and really just, can we at least lock it in? No, it's like not letting me like click anything. It's okay. I wonder if they said if you enable your preview, will it work a little faster now? Okay, y'all, it's not working. We tried.